Hello, Dempsey. This is Trent Richards. I'm with Red List. We visited with you just yesterday, and Tal, the manager, the owner of the company, wanted me to make a brief video just to show you a little bit about how our software works. I'm going to do this lift truck operator's daily checklist. This is a pre-operation checklist. I'm going to jump in here as if I was an operator. I'm going to select the lift truck that I'm going to do the inspection on. And I'm going to walk through the walk around and look for items that are passed or failed, or if they need to be repaired. So let's say I'm going along here and everything seems to be checking out okay. And then I notice there's a deep gash in the left rear wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and fail that. I'm going to explain what's going on. Deep gouge in tire. Please repair. Now I can also attach a picture, and you could do this all from the tablet that we're going to provide. Let's say that everything else is in check, and I'm going to go through and pass all this. So as I finish this inspection, as you can see, some of these are critical to safe and it needs to be taken out of service. So I'm going to go ahead, and a tire is one of those things that takes it out of service. I'm going to type yes. Tire needs replaced, and then ultimately I can go ahead and sign on the iPad or the tablet that's been provided and submit this inspection. Now once this inspection is submitted, you'll find that they're tucked away nicely in our forms library. So if I go to the forms library, I go to look at the entries that have been submitted, I could pull up inspections for that lift truck operator's daily checklist, and you can see all the inspections that have taken place and who submitted those. So this last one is the one that I submitted. It was for the Taylor lift truck number 3. If I click on that, you can see, in fact, it brings up a PDF of that inspection. And you can see that everything's passed except for there's a fail. And you can see the notes here that there's a deep gouge in the tire, please repair. Now in this inspection, I've created some logic that creates a work order for that to be completed. So if I go to the reliability and go to the work orders, and I have this as I'm signed in. I've actually made myself as the person that's supposed to do the work order, so you can see, and these of course will come to whoever you have set up. So you could actually have this go to your maintenance manager. I'm logged in, and so you can see that just for this example, it's come to me. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I repair that tire. I'm going to go ahead and tick that box and say that I've completed that. I can then log how long it took me. Let's say that it took me about an hour and a half to complete that task as a mechanic. And I can make some comments, tire repaired. I'm going to tick this box that says I've completed that, and it adds my signature. Once I sign and complete that as a maintenance person, the good news is you could go back to your forms menu, look at the submittals of those forms, and I'm going to pull up that, look at the entries for those forms. I'm going to pull up the very form that I submitted, and now if I pull up that PDF, you can see that there's an entire feedback loop that takes place. If I go to this failed, you can see that before when I pulled that up, it said that it was failed by Trent Richards. But now you can also see that it was completed by Trent Richards on the 24th of May. It tells the time and the person who completed that repair. So it keeps everything with good records of both the failures and the repairs, and it ensures safety and quality in your mill operation. Thanks for watching this little brief video. If you have any questions at all, then feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'm Trent Richards, or again, the CEO who visited also is Talmadge Wagstaff. We'd happily answer any of your questions. We're excited to do a brief trial with you.